Today, we're working with a RB25 model equipped with a Bluetooth dongle, but remember, the process is similar for other models. First, determine which side of your blinds has the motor. You'll identify the side by locating motor ports and buttons. Unscrew the 3 screws on the end cap to remove the cap. With the end cap off, pull out the tubular motor and set it aside. Grab your replacement motor, and you'll need to slide the motor end into the tube. Notice the different size slots on the rubber drive and crown. Match one of the slots with the tube groove for a snug fit. Push the motor fully in. Scroll the rubber crown to find the suitable slot to fit the groove on the other side of the motor as well. Also, ensure the blind tube on the opposite end is properly inserted. If the fabric roll shifted during the process, adjust it back to the center position. Adjust the motor to ensure the pairing button and charging cords are accessible. For those with an RB25 and a Bluetooth dongle, peel off the 3M sticker and attach the dongle to the cassette's inner side or the wall. Make sure to leave the antenna cable exposed. Finally, close the end cap. Ensure the pairing button is reachable, then secure the cap with the 3 screws. And there you have it. Your blind's motor is successfully replaced.